What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best backpack leaf blowers. There's a lot of choice for backpack leaf blowers. If you have a large yard to clean up, a backpack style leaf blower can help make the job a little easier, with less strain on your arms as you work for a longer amount of time. Backpack blowers are perfect for big jobs, where the weight of a handheld blower would become challenging, agrees Aronskanen, Troy Bilt's gardening partner, master gardener, and creator of the Impatient Gardener blog and YouTube channel. Since the weight is carried on your back in a more ergonomic configuration, she adds, you're able to blow a bigger area without fatigue. As we evaluated backpack leaf blowers, we looked at factors including power source, maximum air speed and power, weight, noise level, and additional features. We also tested several at the lab in Des Moines, Iowa, putting them through a variety of performance and endurance tests. Our top pick is the Echo 58.2cc gas 2-stroke cycle backpack leaf blower, which offers powerful airflow via its variable speed throttle and is designed for comfort with a vented back pad for hot weather. Here are the best backpack leaf blowers to buy. SmartReviewsLab.com. Search SmartReviewsLab.com before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Husqvarna 570 BTS Powerful X-Torque Engine. This commercial backpack leaf blower packs a punch. Its price may raise an eyebrow or two, but once you start up the gas engine and feel the power run through this popular piece of equipment, you'll be glad you made the investment. The Husqvarna 570 BTS is perfect for homeowners who need a powerful machine to do the hard work with little effort. Live near a deciduous forest, have piles of wet leaves, or battling hills that make yard work harder? Then this monster may be the leaf blower you need to strap to your back. Specification and features. Brand, Husqvarna. Power source, gas-powered. Style, backpack. Color, orange. Weight, 24.5 pounds. Reasons to buy. 2-cycle engine has a 50:1 gas-to-oil mix ratio that increases fuel efficiency by up to 20%. Delivers 60% fewer exhaust emissions. Has a large fuel capacity at 74.4 fluid ounces, easily adjustable soft grip handle for comfort. The dual-stage air filter ensures extended operations in dusty conditions. Has cruise control. Reasons to avoid. Expensive. Noisy, at 110 decibels. May be too powerful for some homeowners to operate. Heavy, at 24.5 pounds. Number 2. Backpack 510 CFM Blower. The Echo 2-stroke cycle backpack leaf blower is a well-priced gas model that can handle virtually any task around your yard. It's powered by a 58.2cc 2-stroke engine, and it offers air speeds up to 216 miles per hour and airflow up to 517 cubic feet of air per minute, CFM. Leaf blowers with a higher CFM rating can move larger amounts of debris, but they might not push the leaves as far as a unit with a high air speed. While this backpack leaf blower weighs more than 20 pounds, it's well designed to keep you comfortable during operation. It features a deluxe padded backrest and harness, with a vented backrest to dispel heat on summer days, and it also has a 4-point vibration reduction system. The throttle is mounted right on the blower tube for easy operation, and it has a cruise control setting for consistent operation. The Echo backpack leaf blower has a translucent fuel tank that lets you see when you're running low on gas, and a leaf guard prevents overheating by stopping leaves and other debris from blocking the blower intake. The tool has a manual startup, but it's easy enough to get going once you get the hang of it. Specification and features. Brand, Echo. Power source, gas-powered. Style, backpack. Weight, 22.7 pounds. Recommended uses for product, home. Airflow capacity, 510 cubic feet per minute. Reasons to buy. Powerful airflow. Tube-mounted throttle. Vented backrest. See-through fuel tank. Reasons to avoid. Manual startup. Number 3. Husqvarna 360 BT. The Husqvarna 360 BT is the perfect backpack leaf blower for homeowners who don't want to enter the commercial zone. With a 631 CFM, This leaf blower brings you to the cusp of professionalism without blowing you into the neighbor's vegetable patch. As Goldilocks would say, it's just right. Like our no. 1 Performer Husqvarna 570 BTS. The Husqvarna 360 BT increases fuel efficiency by up to 20% and delivers 60% fewer exhaust emissions. Its air purge also removes air from the carburetor and fuel system to make for an easier startup. Specification and features. Brand: Husqvarna. Power source: gas-powered. Style: 360 BT. Color: orange. Weight: 23.2 pounds. Reasons to buy: large gas tank, high engine cc, cruise control, controls placed for easy access, adjustable blow tube length. Reasons to avoid: noisy at 111 decibels. Expensive. Number 4. BLACKDECKER 3-in-1 Electric Leaf Blower. Not only is the BLACKDECKER 3-in-1 electric leaf blower a budget-friendly choice, it's also extremely versatile and can be used as a leaf blower, leaf vacuum, or mulcher. It weighs just 11 pounds, making it easy for anyone to operate, and it delivers air speed up to 250 miles per hour and airflow up to 400 CFM. The tool has a comfortable backpack design that allows you to carry its collection bag on your back as you move around your yard, but keep in mind that it's a corded model, so you'll be limited by an extension cord. The upside, however, is that you have unlimited runtime, and the power never fades. This 3-in-1 leaf blower has a flexible tube that gives you more room to maneuver while vacuuming, and there's a boost button on the handle for those times you need an extra bit of power. The reusable debris collection back has a roll and clip closure with a wide opening, making it quick and easy to empty, and when it's used as a mulcher, it cuts debris down to 1/16 of its original size. However, the tube can clog fairly easily, so you'll want to use caution not to suck up larger debris like sticks while working. Specification and features. Brand: BLACKDECKER. Power source: corded electric. Style: 3-in-1 blower only. Color: black. Weight: 11.1 pounds. Recommended uses for product: home. Speed: 250 miles per hour. Airflow capacity: 400 cubic feet per minute. Reasons to buy: affordable. 3-in-1 design vacuums and mulches. Unlimited runtime. Easy to empty bag. Reasons to avoid: clogs easily. Number 5. Ryobi RY 40440 40V. Finally, a backpack leaf blower that lets you work without the exhaust fumes, gas, and obnoxious noise. Say goodbye to refilling your old leaf blower's gas tank, and say hello to a more eco-friendly option: battery-powered leaf blowers. You may prefer gas backpack leaf blowers for their mighty horsepower, but the battery-powered Ryobi RY 40440 offers a high performance, even better than some gas leaf blowers on the market. And it's among the quietest leaf blowers too, at only 59 decibels. With a 145 miles per hour and a 625 CFM, you'll be surprised by what this quiet battery-powered backpack leaf blower can do. And if you already have Ryobi products or batteries in your garage, this leaf blower comes with a 40V 5Ah lithium-ion battery that is compatible with more than 40 tools in the Ryobi 40V system. And if you already have the 40V lithium-ion battery handy from another piece of Ryobi equipment you bought, it will be compatible with this leaf blower. Specification and features. Brand: Ryobi. Power source: battery-powered. Style: backpack. Color: gray, black, green. Dimensions: 63 by 18 by 19 inches. Weight: 0.69 kilograms. Recommended uses for product: home. Speed: 145 miles per hour. Reasons to buy: among the quietest leaf blowers on the market. Cruise control: better for the environment than a gas leaf blower. Variable speed throttle. Adjustable shoulder straps. Battery and charger included. Reasons to avoid: heavy at 27 pounds. Short battery run time. not as powerful as high-performing gas leaf blowers. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.